In this tutorial, we will introduce simple regression forecasting. To calculate a regression forecast, you need to know the intercept and the slope of the regression model. It is also useful to know the correlation coefficient because this tells you how good of a model you have. When I teach operations management, I give these values to students on the exam. I figure they learn to compute these in their statistics course and I do not need to repeat it. That is how I will present the initial simple regression tutorial. However, not all instructors will do this. Even in my class, the students need to find these values for the homework problems. So I will follow up the forecasting tutorial with tutorials on how to find these values. There is a tutorial on how to find these values using just a calculator. In addition, there are tutorials on using Excel and its built-in formulas and its data analysis tool pack. There are 5 tutorials that make up simple regression forecasting. 1. This introduction. 2. Regression forecasting with the intercept, slope, and correlation coefficient given. 3. Finding the intercept, slope, and correlation coefficient manually using a calculator. 4. Finding these values using the formulas built into Excel. 5. Finding these values using the data analysis tool pack that comes with Excel. As you will see in this tutorial, this is an extremely handy add-in.
If you found that this video helped you with your operations management problem, please consider liking the video and even subscribing to the channel.